guys, and welcome to this Python course through gaming development. In this course we will see how we can use Python in order to develop some games. In this first lecture I will analyze some general things about Python, such as what is Python, why to learn Python, and of course where we can use Python. First of all, some words for what is Python. So Python is a programming language used for data science, machine learning, AI, web development, and much more. It is also a very easy to learn language, and it's really easy to read and write. And of course it's extremely scalable. So now, why somebody to learn Python? You can learn Python because you can use it in data science, AI, web development, desktop applications. You can use it also in gaming development, testing, and much more. It has a really fast and growing community, really easy to learn, compatible with other languages, and it have many packages that can be used in order to make your life more easy. And finally, where we can use Python, as you can see in this picture, we can use for audio and video based application, image processing, scientific and numeric application, desktop applications in order to design our UI, software development, web application, business application, of course console based applications, and much more. So guys, that was some basic information in order to have an idea about Python. Hello guys, and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we will see how we can download and install Python to our machine. As you can see, I have already my browser open and the site is python.org. So in the site, simply we can go to Downloads tab, select your operation system. I will choose Windows, I will click this button, and immediately, as you can see, it will ask us where we want to save the executable file, the .exe, and push this save button here to this window. I will not download because I already have, but I'm going to show you right now how to install. So we can open your download folder. Just a moment to open my folder. Where is my Python located? And you will search Python. Actually it's the file that you just downloaded. After find it, okay, now I can't find for some reason, so just a moment, I will download it, no problem, but I will skip the install process. I will download the file, I will put it to my desktop, just give it a second. Okay, as you can see, our file is downloaded, so you will find this file, you will double click it, and you will just follow the instructions. The important thing here is to make sure that these two checkboxes, this uadmin provide privileges and add Python exe to path, are both selected. you can go install now, and install process will start. I will select this no here to this dialog window because I don't want to install. As I told you, I already have. So after installation finish, in order to be sure that everything is okay, everything is running, I will delete those two. Okay, I can't, never mind. So you can open a terminal in your desktop, or you can just open your start menu and write CMD, and you will find, actually not this, this is another one, just a moment, let's say Windows, okay, Windows PowerShell, or if you use CMD, never mind, it's pretty much the same. So when you will open your command window, you can type Python, hit enter. If you see these messages, let me zoom a little bit, okay, if you will see these messages, that means that installation completed successfully. This is our Python version running, and just to make sure that Python is working, you can just type 1+1, hit enter, and here you can see the result. You can do these two tests in order to be sure, okay, that Python language are completely and correct installed to our machine. Okay guys, that's all for this lecture. In our next lecture we will see how we can set up our lab. That means that I will show you how to download the program that we will use to create our applications in Python, download, install it, set up it, and add some extensions that with these extensions actually will make our life more easy. So guys, proceed to see how we can download and install our next tool. This is Visual Studio Code. So again, in our browser we can write Visual Studio Code in order to go to download page. This is its site, okay, same here, nothing special. You can choose what you like from here, from this arrow, if you're using Mac OS, Windows, Linux, or whatever. In my case, again, I'm using Windows, so I have already downloaded and installed Windows version. After download, again, you can follow the instructions in order to install it.